Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we have a very interesting math problem to resolve. We have a times b plus c to be equal to 5. We have b times c plus a to be equal to 6. And we have c times a plus b to be equal to 7. So let's begin. First of all, we'll open up the bracket here. We have a times b plus c to be equal to 5. Which implies that a times b plus a times c is equal to 5. So we'll name this equation 1. So for the second one, we have b times c plus a to be equal to 6. This implies that bc plus ba, which is ab, is equal to 6. So we'll name this equation 2. And the last one, we have c times a plus b to be equal to 7, which implies that ca, which is ac, plus cb, which is bc, is equal to 7. So this is our equation 3. So from here, let's add equation 1, 2, and 3 together. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. So let's take the left hand side. We have AB plus AC plus we have BC plus AB, and we have AC plus BC, all equal to the right hand side. We have 5 plus 6 plus 7, 5 plus 6 plus 7. So looking at this, we have AB and we have AB. So we have 2AB plus we have AC and we have AC. So we have 2AC. We have BC and we have BC. So we have 2BC, all equal to 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So from here, we can factor out 2 from both sides. We have 2. We have AB plus AC plus BC, all equal to 18. So from here, we have that AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 18 over 2. So this means that AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 9. So let's record the equations we had earlier. We have AB plus AC equal to 5, BC plus AB equal to 6, and AC plus BC equal to 7. So recall, AB plus AC is equal to 5, BC plus AB is equal to 6, and AC plus BC is equal to 7. But when we add the 3, AB plus AC plus BC, we have 9. So from here, we can have that AB is equal to this minus this. So we have AB plus AC plus BC minus, since we are looking for AB, we'll subtract AB. We'll be left with AC plus BC. So our AB will be equal to, recall that this plus this plus this is equal to 9. So we have 9 minus, then our AC plus BC, AC plus BC is equal to 7. This implies that AB is equal to 2. So for us to get our BC, we have BC to be equal to AB plus AC plus BC minus, when we remove the BC, since we are looking for BC, we have AB plus AC. So our BC will be equal to, now record that this plus this plus this is equal to 9. minus our AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to 5. So we have 9 minus 5, which implies that BC is equal to 4. So the same way, we'll find our AC. We have AC to be equal to AB plus AC plus BC minus we have AB plus BC. It means that our AC is equal to this plus this plus this is 9 minus our AB plus BC. AB plus BC is equal to 6. So we have 9 minus 6, which implies that AC is equal to 3. So we've been able to resolve and get to this point. We have AB to be equal to 2, we have BC to be equal to 4, and we have AC to be equal to 3. So let's multiply through. Let's name this equation 4, equation 5, and equation 6. So multiplying equation 4 times equation 5 times equation 6, we'll have AB times BC times AC all equal to 2 times 4 times 3. So from here we have A times A, we have A squared times B squared times C squared all equal to, we have 2 times 4 to be 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So from here we have ABC all squared all equal to 24. So this simply means that ABC is equal to plus or minus the square root of 24, which means that ABC is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So we now have the value of A times B times C. So from here, since AB is equal to 2, we can get our A to be equal to ABC over BC, which implies that our ABC is 2 root 6. So we have plus or minus 2 root 6 all over our BC. BC is 4. So we have A to be equal to ABC all over B, which implies that plus or minus 2 root 6 over 4. So A is equal to plus or minus root 6 over 2. So our B will be equal to ABC all over AC, which is equal to ABC is plus or minus 2 root 6, and our AC is 3. AC is equal to 3. So our C will be equal to ABC all over AB, which is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Our AB is 2. So this is equal to plus or minus root 6. So we have that A, B, C is equal to root 6 over 2, 2 root 6 over 3, and root 6. Or we can have minus root 6 over 2 minus 2 root 6 over 3 and minus root 6. These are the positive value of a, b, c, and these are the negative values of a, b, c. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.